What's up, everyone? I'm back. Oh. How about ka? Hi everyone, I'm back. My very first reaction video is about Katrina Velarde singing Burn All Stars, meaning she impersonated a lot of singers using the song Burn, originally sung by Ellie Goulding. Now she uploaded a new video entitled This Is Me, the Greatest Showman This Is Me cover, and she already got 1.6 thousand views for this song, and this is my first time to hear the song. So without further ado, let's go and watch the video.
I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, yes, we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a bug and drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. This is brave, this is Bruce, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. Look out, 'cause here I come. Marching on, marching, marching on. This is me.
God. That's Katrina Velarde. Velarde in the Philippines. One of the most underrated singer in the Philippines. You know guys, she sang the song with 9 background voices that she made by herself. Talented singer. If she will try to explore outside the country, outside the Philippines, maybe she'll get a spot because her voice is golden, and I think she can even copy or mimic sounds of singers like Jessie J, Shakira, and Christina Aguilera. And now she's beautiful, more beautiful, beautifuler than before. My god. Anyways guys, those people are asking why I speak in English every time I do reaction videos. I am doing this because we have foreign viewers outside the Philippines, and I am so lazy making subtitles. So it's better to speak directly in English, even though my grammar and my pronunciation is not that good, but I'm trying my very best to do this. Anyways, if you have any more videos you want me to react, don't forget to comment down below, and press the like button and smash the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I upload new videos, click the bell button beside the subscribe button. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.